How to get Ultimate Branding Project Management Notion Template 2.0, free of cost. First of all, visit our website, creativemindsfactory.in. Go at the end of the website, and click Buy Digital Product link. This will bring you to Gumroad website, where you will find 3 products. You will have to click on the third one. Fill the price you want. If you want this for free, write 0 in price section. Now click on the Get button. If you are new to the Notion, first you will have to sign up. You can directly sign up with this button. And once you sign up, you can come back and click this View Notion Template button. This will take you to the Notion template. You will have to duplicate this template in your Notion. After that, you will be able to edit this. Now you can edit this template. Use this template to manage the branding projects. Always download the latest template, because we change and make some improvement in this template every week.